I'm always looking for a shortcut. How about you? I'm Megan Hoffman, a Technology Integration Specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Let's turn texting into professional-sounding words. Go back in time with me to when everyone used flip phones and had to pay for text by the character. Oh, am I the only one old enough to remember that? We made creative abbreviations for commonly used phrases. Now we've grown up and need our messages to sound more professional. But who has time to type out every character? On your iPad, you can automatically replace abbreviations with full text. There's a little setup involved, so let's get into it. Go to your Settings app, select General, Keyboard, and then Text Replacement. Click the plus sign at the top. Type out your commonly used phrase and the shortcut you want to use. Click Save in the top right corner. If you decide you do not want that shortcut, click Edit at the bottom and delete the shortcut you no longer want. Open another app such as Notes, your email, Google Docs, wherever you want to type something. Type your shortcut, press the spacebar or the return button, and voila! The full text appears. For more ideas, inspiration, and explanations, check out the SWWC Technology Integration Team channel on YouTube. And remember to click the subscribe button. Thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me today. Save yourself some time in the long run by setting up text replacement on your iPad or iPhone.